Hello, hello, hello. Math is easy, step by step. So this is the third part of the three-part videos on integers, adding, subtracting positive and negative numbers using a number line. And in quick review, integers are positive and negative numbers. Now when we subtract, in this example, and like other examples, I use a skill called keep, change, change. You're going to keep that -7 a -7. You're going to change subtraction to addition. But in order to do that, you have to change this last term. If it's positive, you're going to change it negative. If it's negative, you're going to change it positive. Now it's an addition problem. Now we can start anywhere on this number line at -7 or at a -1. Let's start at -1 and go -7 in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My solution, my answer is going to be a -8. Now, you could have also started at that -7 and gone one direction in the negative direction. A -7, one direction would give me an answer of the same answer, -8. All right, let's go on. I think we got another example here. Oh, we got a little tricky question. Not really, I guess. I guess I'm just trying to be funny. What is 0 minus +3? So again, hey, we're subtracting. And anytime we subtract integers, I do a keep, change, change. Keep it 0, right? I don't think you can do much with 0. It's neither positive or negative. It's considered a neutral number. Change the subtraction to addition. In order to do that, you have to change whatever this term is to the opposite. So if it's a +3, it would become a -3. So now I can start at 0 and go -3 direction. Or I could start at -3 and go nowhere. I'm starting at -3 and I'm going nowhere. That is my answer. That is my solution. Well, let's start at 0 and go -3 direction. Starting at 0, I go -3 1, 2, 3 times. And you can see my answer here is -3. So if I'm going too fast for you, please slow this video down. Take your time, pause, freeze, do whatever you need to do to slow down this video. You can control the timing as you seem fit. All right, so continuing on. It's an addition. So what is +4 plus a -7? It's already in addition form. I do not need to do a keep, change, change. What the keep, change, change does is it changes it from subtraction to addition rules, right? So now it's already in that form. I can start at a +4 and go 7 in the negative direction, or I can start at -7 and go 4 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is a -3. But I would like to show you what it looks like when you go in the other direction, starting at a +4 and going 7 in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to end up at the same location. Hey, the solution is a -3. Moving on. Let's do another example here. Another example. I'm going to leave that top example here for you to watch. And I'm just going to move this down a little bit right there. Alrighty. So what is +5 minus a +9? So this problem is subtraction. I do want to do a keep, change, change. I'm going to show you keep, change, change. You're going to keep that a +5. You're going to change subtraction to addition, which means you have to change this term. +9, the opposite of a +9 is a -9 value. So now you can start at either location, a +5, and go -9 direction, go in negative direction 9 times, excuse me. Or you can start at negative 9, which I'll do, and go 5 in the positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 direction in the positive gives me an answer of negative 4. Hey, let's say you started at the positive 5 and you went 9 in the negative direction. So let's take a look at, see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We end up with that same solution of a negative 4. All right. Again, if I'm going too fast, hey, stop, pause, rewind that video, watch it again as many times as you need to. All right. So here we've got another problem. We're looking at what is, well, look at that straight up here. What is negative 10 plus a positive 12? What's a negative 10 plus a positive 12? Well, it's already in addition mode, right? We're already adding integers. So here I don't have to do a keep, change, change. Again, keep, change, change just puts it back into an addition problem, making your life a lot easier. Okay, so here I can start at a negative 10 and go a positive 12 direction, or I can start at positive 12 and go in negative 10 direction. Since my number line is pretty short, I'm only going to be able to show you one way to do that, and that's starting here at negative 10 and going 12 in the positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. My answer is going to be a positive 2. And so you can also look at it like this. Hey, you owe me $10. You just came up with $12. You pay me back my 10. How much you left with in your pocket? Hey, you got $2 in your pocket. So I got one more example, and that'll finish integers on the number line, and I will soon be creating videos to show you how to add and subtract integers without using the number line. So here we have a problem. It's already in addition form, so I do not need to do a keep, change, change. Simply, I'm going to start at the negative 3 and go 7 more in the negative direction, or I can start at negative 7 and then go 3 more in the negative 3 direction. I'm going to do that. I'm going to start at negative 7 and go negative 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to finish. My solution is a negative 10. But of course, I'd like to show you starting at a negative 3 and going 7 in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The answer and solution is a negative 10. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step.